Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back. And this is the second video of skill management, and this is about creating new objects in the qualification catalog. So first of all, if I want to create a new group, I should make sure that wherever I want to create the new object, I should place my cursor there. So if I want to create a new group over here, I should place my cursor on the catalog. But if I want to create a new group in the certifications module, for example, I should place my cursor here and select this checkbox. So since I am interested in creating a new group over here, so I place my cursor here on the catalog and I press this button, create. And this is automatically assigned the code QK, means this is an object of a qualification group, not a qualification. And say this sample qualifications group. So I'm going to delete it after this demo, and it has to be valid from okay, we accept these dates, and scale is say it is a point scale of 1 to 4. No, make it point scale of 1 to 5. And the proficiencies, by default it has been suggested as one is poor. If you want to change it, any one of them, we can change it, right? But we are actually not interested to change it, so we just save it. Even we don't need to go to the proficiency step if we are not going to change it. So I saved it, I cross it, and you will see the new group is here. There is no plus sign here because currently there are no other groups or qualifications within this group. So if I want to create now some other objects within this group, so first of all, now I should not place my cursor here. I should select this so that everything will be done now in this group. And over here, actually, we again go to create. So I want to create, and the system is asking, do I want to create a qualification or a qualification group? System didn't show this message when I created a group from here, because in the catalog we cannot directly create a qualification. We can only create a qualification group. Therefore the system had just one choice, so it doesn't ask us. Over here the system can create another group or it can create qualification. So let's say I'm interested to create a qualification, so I click or double click this button and the system opens up a window. So it is sample yeah, sample HRIS course, and the name can be anything. And you see the system has already inherited the scale right from here, and we don't need to go to the proficiencies, but just for the sake of visibility, so here are the scales, items, proficiencies, and we don't need to do anything. We can add some description if you want, we can change the validity period if you want, but just to keep it simple, we press enter, and enter is not sufficient, we have to save as well. And then I cross it and you will see a plus sign over here. Now it can be extended. If I want to create a group rather than a qualification over here, so I can just again select this one and I would create, and I am creating a qualification group now, not the qualification. And this is nested group, right? So it is a group in the group, so I just named it accordingly. The scale is inherited, I saved it, and you can see there is another group, and within this group now I can create another qualification. So I selected this one, I deselected this one because now I have to create work in this particular group. So again, now I want to create a qualification in this group, and this is nested qualifications. So and I save it and cross it, right? So you can see that the system has made now this group and this one qualification, both are parallel, lie in this particular group. So this is the way I will delete this group shortly. Let's delete one by one. So if I want to delete just this qualification, so I will select this qualification, I will press delete, and you have selected one entry, delete as of 1/1/1900. Yes, I did. And then I selected this. Let's try if because the problem is that this group has one qualification beneath it. So when we selected it and we are trying to delete it, let's see what happens. Yes, Qualification group, nested group has dependent entries and therefore cannot be deleted. So this group cannot be deleted until we actually delete this qualification first. So we delete it. Now we delete this group as well. Yes, and now we did this group as well. So this is not something to be done by you. I am just doing it because I don't want too much mess in this particular catalog. So this is the way we can actually make use of the catalog. We can make new entries, we can make new groups, and keep in mind that practically the access of creating new objects in qualification catalog has to be restricted to power users only, say HR manager or something like that, because every single user should not be authorized to actually change the qualification catalog and the structure. In the next video, we shall see how to actually make use of this qualification catalog in creating profiles.